How to delete a post on X app known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to delete a post, head over to the post that you have posted before. For that, you need to head over to your profile. In your timeline, you'll see all the posts that you have posted before. So if you want to delete any post, head over to that particular post. And in that post, in the top right corner, you can see the three dots icon. Tap on this. Now different options will pop out. In the second option, you can see delete post option. If you want to delete this post completely, you can select this option. It'll reconfirm if you really want to delete this post. If you are sure, you can select this delete option. And there you go. That's how you can easily delete a post on your X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.